Hey guys, today we have Chuggington die-cast trains. This is the second video in the series and we have another 4 great looking trains for you. So let's open them up and learn a little bit more about each one of them. First we have Dunbar. Dunbar is a green shunting engine, and he is a coach and teacher of the young engines. He's a hard worker and teaches the engine trainees to keep trying. Let's get those wheels to the rails. You always hear him saying that. Thanks, Dunbar. Next we have Olwen. Now Olwen is a green steam engine based on the Mallard. She is motherly but stern at times and insists on promptness. She refers to her trainees as her little chugga-chugs. Thanks, Olwen. Now this is Speedy McAllister. Speedy McAllister is an old red violet steam locomotive who comes across as being somewhat gruff and blunt, but means well and is helpful to experienced chuggers and trainees alike. He likes to take his time and never likes to rush. He's old and wise and will often take time to think. He prefers doing jobs where there's peace and quiet. Thanks, Speedy McAllister. Now this is Kaylee's fire and rescue cars. Kaylee is a small shunting engine and Dunbar's assistant. In addition to shunting cars, she is responsible for responding to emergencies and rescuing stranded chuggers. Now these fire and rescue cars allow Kelly to perform many different tasks, and they're invaluable to her. We have a crane and a fire hose. Excellent. Now all of these trains are part of the land of Chuggington, where trains come to life. In this train-based world, the chuggers are talking characters based on trains of all types, from old steam engines to sleek new bullet trains. So we'd like to thank Chuggington today for some great die-cast model trains. We saw 4 today, and they're part of a huge series that you can collect and have fun with. You can even act out your favorite TV episodes. So thanks for watching today, guys, and we look forward to more great toy testing and lots more Chuggington die-cast trains on Toy Tester Tom. Talk to you later.